Hello, how's it going, social media family? My name is Jorge Lopez and I am your sales consultant here at Tomball Ford in Tomball, Texas. I hope you guys are doing well and having a fantastic day. I sure as heck am having an awesome day. I am here today at the Bronco OffRoadeo. It is a site off of Austin, Texas, and I was invited to come in and test drive the Ford Bronco and the Bronco Sport in person. And let me tell you guys, you have to come in, you have to register to have this teachings done to you. I mean, it comes with the territory with the Bronco Sport Badlands or first edition and any Bronco that you purchase, 2-door or 4 edition. In this video, I want to share with you the test drive that I did with one of our trainers. His name was Josh, and it is Fun Haver Ride Along. I believe that is the name of it, but man, let me tell you, Josh, our trainer, and pardon the smoke, we got a campfire here. Josh, our trainer, really took us on an exhilarating test drive. So I want to share this with you. Check out that experience. How was it? All right, yeah. So I am here. Do you mind if I record you a little bit? This is Josh. Josh is one of our trainers. He's been awesome today. Guys, you guys need to check this out. He's gonna take on an exhilarating test drive, right?
I am. I'm gonna take you guys.
What's the course name?
So the Fun Haver course is created by Von Gittin Jr. and his aftermarket Fun Haver from Ford.
Yeah.
And this is the course that they helped create, and we're gonna take you guys to a run.
Alrighty, ready when you are. Oh, no way. You gotta be kidding me, dude. No. Holy God. Oh, get it, Josh, get it. Wow. Dude, this Bronco grips, man.
It does. It's a Wildtrak. It's what it's made for.
Oh, man. I'm excited because this is exactly what I'm getting. Wildtrak. Look at this, man. You guys that are watching this is super exhilarating. Holy smokes, man. How fast were we going, Josh?
30, 35 miles an hour.
Okay. Wow, it felt like more.
It does, right?
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh boy. Wow. My cell phone is going crazy. Oh. Golly. Wow. Holy smokes, man. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh, stupid. Josh. Oh my God, man. You're awesome, man. You're a beast. Thank you, bro. Holy smokes. Shit. That was awesome, dude. Wow. That is super exhilarating. You guys need to try it out. Well, there you have it, guys. This is just a short video on the test drive of the Bronco. We test drove a Wildtrak 2-door, and oh my God, that was just an amazing, exhilarating experience. I will never, ever forget that. These Broncos, man, these Broncos are super capable, and really the only way to find out is to go to a place like this to test it out, check it out for yourself. Bronco OffRoadeo. It comes with a plan. It comes as an option for you to register once you have your Bronco 2-door, 4-doors, or like you have behind me, the Bronco Sport Badlands or First Edition. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, share it if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.